India's automotive industry is at a pivotal juncture, experiencing a transformation like never before. Rapid technological advancements, shifting consumer preferences, and government initiatives are reshaping the landscape, creating new opportunities and challenges. This dynamic environment is witnessing a surge in innovation and investment, with startups and established companies alike pushing the boundaries. From reducing logistics costs to embracing green mobility solutions, the industry is evolving rapidly. India is steering towards a future of sustainable and efficient transportation, aiming to reduce its carbon footprint. The recent developments in the Indian auto sector are not merely incremental, but transformative, setting new benchmarks. These changes are poised to redefine the industry and its impact on the Indian economy, creating a ripple effect across various sectors. Understanding these trends is crucial for investors, policymakers, and consumers alike as they navigate this evolving landscape. The coming years will be critical for the Indian automotive industry, with significant milestones expected. The choices made today will determine the trajectory of the sector for decades to come, influencing future generations. As India strives to become a global automotive hub, the focus on innovation, sustainability, and efficiency will be paramount, ensuring long-term success. One of the most significant challenges faced by the Indian auto industry is the high cost of logistics. Recognizing this, Nitin Gadkari, India's Minister for Road Transport and Highways, has unveiled an ambitious plan to streamline logistics and reduce costs. This plan involves developing a network of modern highways, dedicated freight corridors, and multimodal logistics parks. Gadkari's vision is to bring down India's logistics costs to be on par with global benchmarks. This will involve not only infrastructure development, but also policy reforms and process improvements. The success of this initiative will be crucial for enhancing the competitiveness of the Indian auto industry in the global market. As environmental concerns take center stage, the Indian auto industry is witnessing a growing emphasis on green mobility solutions. Hybrid vehicles, which combine a conventional internal combustion engine with an electric motor, are emerging as a popular choice for environmentally conscious consumers in India. These vehicles offer reduced fuel consumption and lower emissions compared to traditional gasoline-powered cars. The Indian government is actively promoting the adoption of hybrid vehicles through various incentives and subsidies. Several leading automakers have launched hybrid models in the Indian market, catering to the growing demand for fuel-efficient and eco-friendly vehicles. This trend is expected to continue in the coming years as India strives to reduce its carbon footprint and dependence on fossil fuels. While hybrid vehicles offer a significant improvement over traditional gasoline-powered cars in terms of emissions, they are not without their own set of challenges and limitations. It is essential to acknowledge that they are not a perfect solution, as they still have a carbon footprint. Hybrids still rely on fossil fuels for a portion of their power, which means they continue to emit greenhouse gases. Their environmental impact depends on various factors, such as driving conditions, the efficiency of the vehicle, and the source of electricity used to charge the battery. Furthermore, the production of hybrid vehicles involves the extraction and processing of rare earth minerals, which can have significant environmental consequences. These activities often lead to habitat destruction, water pollution, and increased carbon emissions. Therefore, it is crucial to adopt a holistic perspective when evaluating the environmental impact of hybrid vehicles, considering both their benefits and drawbacks. While promoting hybrid vehicles is a step in the right direction towards reducing emissions, it is essential to continue investing in research and development of even cleaner and more sustainable transportation solutions, such as electric vehicles. Electric vehicles powered by renewable energy sources, like solar and wind, represent a more sustainable future for transportation. Section 5. BMW's Punjab push. a manufacturing powerhouse emerges. In a significant development for the Indian auto industry, German luxury car maker BMW has announced ambitious plans to manufacture key components for its vehicles in the northern state of Punjab. This strategic move is part of BMW's broader strategy to expand its global production network and leverage India's robust manufacturing capabilities, which have been growing steadily over the years. The landmark agreement between BMW and Modern Automotives, a leading Indian auto component manufacturer, will see the establishment of a state-of-the-art facility in Punjab, equipped with the latest technology. This advanced facility will produce a wide range of high-quality components for BMW vehicles, including critical engine and transmission parts, ensuring top-notch performance. This significant partnership is expected to create numerous employment opportunities in Punjab, providing a boost to the local economy and contributing to the state's overall economic growth. It also underscores India's growing prominence as a global manufacturing hub for the automotive industry, highlighting the country's potential to become a key player in the international market. Section 6. Economic Engine: How BMW's presence is transforming Punjab. BMW's decision to establish a manufacturing facility in Punjab is a testament to the state's improving investment climate and skilled workforce. This move is expected to have a significant positive impact on Punjab's economy, creating jobs, attracting investment, and boosting ancillary industries. The presence of a global automotive giant like BMW is also expected to enhance the technological capabilities of the local auto component industry. This will further strengthen India's position in the global automotive supply chain. Section 7. Conclusion: The road ahead for India's auto industry. The Indian auto industry is on the cusp of a new era, driven by innovation, sustainability, and a focus on efficiency. The government's push towards reducing logistics costs, coupled with the growing adoption of green mobility solutions like hybrid vehicles, is creating a favorable environment for growth. The entry of global players like BMW into the Indian manufacturing sector further reinforces India's emergence as a global automotive hub. These developments are not only transforming the industry, but also creating significant economic opportunities and contributing to a cleaner environment. As India navigates the evolving landscape of the global automotive industry, the focus on innovation, collaboration, and sustainability will be crucial for achieving long-term success. Section 8. Stay informed. Navigating the evolving landscape. The Indian auto industry is dynamic and constantly evolving. Staying informed about the latest developments, trends, and policies is crucial for stakeholders across the ecosystem. Whether you are an investor, a policymaker, or a consumer, keeping abreast of the latest news and analysis will enable you to make informed decisions and capitalize on the emerging opportunities in this exciting sector.